Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware so the reset works reliably. Put both earbuds into the open charging case and confirm battery levels. Low charge can interrupt the procedure. Once done, disable Bluetooth on any paired device or choose Forget Device because the reset clears stored connections and you want a clean state. Press and hold the touch sensors briefly to wake them, then proceed immediately to the next step without closing the case. You will perform the actual reset by holding the touch sensors on both earbuds simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Pay attention to the LED indicators. They typically flash red/white or alternate colors to show the reset is in progress. Once you see the specific reset flash sequence, release the sensors. This clears pairing memory and restores factory settings. Make sure the case remains open and charging power is stable, because interruption can result in incomplete reset. You finish by repairing. Close the case for 2 seconds and reopen to force the earbuds into fresh pairing mode, then enable Bluetooth on your device and select Jlab Jbuds Air ANC. This re-establishes a clean connection after the factory reset. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Fully charge both earbuds and the case, then repeat the reset sequence. Low battery often prevents successful resets. If problems persist, try resetting with a different phone to rule out device-specific Bluetooth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.